Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is Mr. Parker coming to you from my front porch. Happy Wednesday, April 22nd, Earth Day. It's another beautiful morning here. So, yesterday, the question of the day asked you what's the difference between civil and criminal law, right? The primary difference is criminal law is meant to protect us from wrongdoers, people breaking laws. That could be speeding, that could be stealing, that could be battery, assault, that kind of stuff, right? So in a criminal court case, the defendant is being prosecuted by the jurisdiction. That could either be the city, the county, or the state, or even the federal government. In a civil lawsuit, it is two people who have a disagreement, lots of times over money or over something that is valuable. And so there could be a law broken, but there's not necessarily a law broken. It's more about a legal dispute, okay? And actually, I had a link to an article about the O.J. Simpson trial. O.J. Simpson trial, which happened before y'all were born, but very important case, probably the most significant court case in the last 100 years in the U.S. And O.J. Simpson, was found not guilty for murder in a criminal court. But then he was tried in civil court by the families of those that were killed, and he was found guilty. He lost all of his money. So sometimes one court can find you not guilty, and the other one can find you guilty, and vice versa. All right? Today, the concept of the day, what are the steps in the criminal justice system? Hopefully you never find yourself in this criminal justice system. In fact, one of the questions says, how do you avoid winding up in the criminal justice system? There's lots of ways you can avoid it. Primary one being, don't break the law. But there's lots of other ways you can avoid winding up in a criminal court. So the primary concept that we're looking at today is felonies versus misdemeanors, and what happens. What's the pre-trial steps, and then what are the trial steps? And that is pretty much the content for the week. Tomorrow I'm going to ask a question. There's not going to be any additional documents attached. It's just going to kind of be like an overarching question. You'll see that tomorrow. You get a 100 for the week if you answer all 4 questions. Each question's worth 25 points. Okay? You gotta put forth some effort. A lot of y'all are doing a great job of that. I greatly appreciate it. I hope everyone is doing all right. Everybody has a great day. Bye bye now.